Hi, my name is Hussein Riaz and I'm speaking from Islamabad Capital Territory, ICT, Pakistan. I hope that you are fine. Today I'm going to deliver the fifth lecture of the Spanish language. Let us start. The word verb is called verbo in Spanish. The spellings of verbo are verbo. Adjective is called adjectiva. Adjectiva. The spellings of adjectiva. No, if there is a female, she will be called adjectiva. If there is a male, he will be called adjectivo. The spellings of adjectiva are adjectiva. The spellings of adjectivo are adjectivo. Capital is also called capital in Spanish. The spellings of capital are capital. Constitution is called constitution in Spanish. The spellings of constitution are con uh, STITUCION. Democracy is called democracia in Spanish. The spellings of democracia are DEMOCRACI. Banana is also called banana in Spanish. The spellings of banana are BANANA. Idealist is called idealisto in Spanish. The spellings of idealisto are IDEA idealisto. Mountain is called mountaina in Spanish. The spellings of mountain are MOUN, Mount, TANA, mountaina. Hills is called SIERRAS, Sierras. The spellings of Sierras are SIERRAS. Bale, sorry, ball is called pilota in Spanish. The spellings of pilota are PELOTA. Cat is called if cat is called gata if there is a female. If there is a male, a cat, he will be called gato. The spellings of gata are GATA, gata, gato, GATO, gato. Dog is called para. If there is a female dog, she will be called para, PERRA. If there is a male dog, he will be called PERRO, pero. Food is called alimento in Spanish. The spellings of alimento are ALIEMNTO. Alimento, ALIE. Sorry, I'm very sorry for misguiding you. The correct spellings of alimento are ALIMENTO. ALIMENTO. Kind is called amable in Spanish. The spellings of amable are AMABLE. Very is called moo in Spanish. The spellings of moo are MUY. Cheap is called barata. If there is a female, she will be called barata. The spellings of barata BARATA. If there is a male, he will be called barato, BARATO. Expensive is called caro. Caro in Spanish, Caro, caro. Day is called dia. Dia. The spellings of dia are dia. Good is called bien. The spellings of bien are bien. Bad is called mala. If there is a female, she will be called mala. If there is a male, he will be called malo. The spellings of mala are mala. Mala. The spellings of malo are malo. From is called D in Spanish. De, not dee. Single e. Right? Remember this. United States. United States, you know that United States is a country in North America. The United States is called Estados Unidos. Estados Unidos. It's a very difficult word, dear friends. Uh, Estados. The spellings of Estados are Estados. 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 Unidos. 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 Weather is called clima. Weather is called clima. 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 Girls are called chas. Girls are called chas. Chicas. Chas. Active is called activa. If there is a female, she will be called activa. Activ. Activa. If there is a male, he will be called activo. 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 Passive is called passiva. If there is a female. If there is a male, he will be called passivo. The spellings of passiva are Pasiva. Passiva. Passivo. Pasivo. Passivo. Passivo. Boys are called cichos. Cichos. Chicos. Cichos. Cichos. Duck is called pata. If there is a female, she will be called pata. If there is a male, he will be called pato. The spellings of pata are Pata. Pata. The spellings of pato are Pato. Pato, pata, pato, pato, pata. Clay is called arquila. Clay is called arquila in Spanish. Arquila, the spellings of arquila are Arcilla. Arquila. Arquila. Documentary. The documentary is called documental. Documental in Spanish. The spellings of documental are Documental. Documental. Sand is called arena. 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 Film or movie is called pellicula. Pellicula. Pelicula. Pellicula. Pellicula. Jewelry is called joyería. Joyería in Spanish. The spellings of joyería are Joyeria. Joyería. City is called ciudad. The spellings of ciudad are Ciudad. 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 City. Ciudad. City. Ciudad. City. Ciudad. New York is called Nueva York. Nueva York. The spellings of Nueva York are Neuva. Nueva. York. Very is called Mu, MUY. Siblings are called Hermanus. If there's a female sibling, she will be called Hermanus. Her, her, Manas. Hermanus. Hermanus, right? Hermanus. Fire is called, oh sorry, if there's a female sibling, then he will be called Hermanos. 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 Hermanus. Hermanos. Hermanus. Hermanos. Hermanus. Hermanos. Thinking is called pensamento. Pensamento is a very is another difficult word. The spellings of pensamento are PENSA, pensa, MIENTA, pensamento, pensamento. Fire is called fuego. Fuego in Spanish. Fuego. Fuego, the spellings of fuego are FUGO. FUGO. If is called C. C. The spellings of C are SI. Song is called Sensian. Sensian. Sorry, Kenkian. 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 CAN, Ken, CION. Kenkian. Liar is called Mentirosa if there's a female. If there's a male, he will be called Mentiroso. The spellings of Mentirosa are MEN, men, Menti, TIROSA, Menti Rosa. If there's a male, he will, the spellings of Mentiroso, Mentiroso are MENTIROS, Menti, sorry, ROSO, ROSO. Resume, right? Resume is called anudar. Anudar. Anudar in Spanish. The spellings of anudar are EUNADAR. EUNADAR. Anudar. Weird is called, if there's a female, she will be called extrana. If there's a male, he will be called extrano in Spanish. The spellings of extrana are EXTRANA, extrana, extrano, EXTRANO, extrano. Possess is called possir. Possess is called possir. POSSER. Threat is called extrano. EXTRANO, extrano. Drugs is called drogas. Drugs are called drogas. DROGAS. GAS. And last word is legalize. Legalize is called legalizer in Spanish. Legalizer, LEGALIZER. This was this is how I want to conclude my lecture. Thank you very much for listening. I hope that you have gotten knowledge about Spanish language. I hope that luck, circumstances, and your hard works help you. Bye bye.